If you need an upgrade in visibility for your 2003 through 2009 Ram 2500, these power heated towing mirrors in black will be a mod that you'll want to look into. Now these are going to be a great upgrade for the Ram owners who are currently sporting these smaller base trim model mirrors or aren't getting a good enough view of the back because of the small field of view that they have, or even have towing mirrors currently, but they've taken some damage and you want a fresh replacement. Now these OE style mirrors will up the view, allowing you to keep a close eye on whatever you're towing behind you, whether you tow all the time or just occasionally, but nonetheless need the additional visibility and want options out of your mirror setup, as well as getting it at an affordable price. Now these will have a large upper mirror compared to the smaller OE style mirrors, and a lower convex mirror for full visibility while driving. Now this size and the difference in the mirrors will allow a great field of view to keep you safer, and the mirrors themselves will be power adjustable and come with heated defrost if you have that feature from the factory. Now these mirrors will also fold manually in two types of ways for additional visibility. You have your first configuration here, which is a street style mirror, but you still do get the visibility with the larger mirror. But if you need more visibility behind you and a greater field of view, you can flip them up. Now you can also manually fold the mirrors in if you'd like to, if you are on a more narrow street and want to protect the integrity of your mirrors. Now these will be made of a full ABS black plastic material, which will be strong for plastic to handle the elements over time, and it will also have a textured finish on top for the housing, which will match with other OE plastic accessories. Now this will also come with all of the studs pre-installed, all of the hardware ready to pop this onto your Ram, and a gasket for a secure fit. Now, these are also going to be completely plug and play, so you don't have to worry about any of the wiring when it comes time to install these. Now this set's gonna come in at about $225 for both the driver and passenger side. Now compared to other choices in the category, this set is going to be very straightforward in design, which will keep it affordable while getting the job done. This kit will also offer an OE style build and design if that is a feature that you are specifically looking for a set of mirrors, as to where others may have additional features that don't fit that mold. In my opinion, if you're looking for some better visibility for your truck, whether it's an upgrade or replacement, these are going to be a solid and an affordable option for you. Install here is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. I would say it's probably going to take you about 2 hours or so to get the job done. However, at this point, one of our customers has actually installed these on their Ram and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that is going to wrap it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
The tools we're going to need for this is a 10mm socket, a Phillips head, whether it's a screwdriver or a bit for impact, a little tiny flathead. This is the mirror. Comes with 3 10mm. Plug and play. We're gonna start with the Phillips. We got 2 down here. 1 Phillips here, 1 Phillips here. And take them out. And we got 1 right here in the middle under the door handle, and then 1 on the top right. Then we're gonna switch to the 10mm right here in the door handle, lift it up. And just gonna press that down, lift up, come out. All right, before we take the door panel off completely, we're gonna roll down the window so we get better access to the mirror. Now we can unplug the window switches. Out of the way. Then you're gonna have a little plug right here to unplug the mirror. Press down the tab, pull out. Then you're gonna have 3 10mm here. And it shouldn't fall out, but if you're worried about it, hold it up back here. Now you're gonna take your little flathead. There's 2 little clips in here where the plug sits. You're gonna press them in so it can fall out. You do not want to break it if you're trying to save it. There you go. And you're gonna pull the mirror in. And that's how to get off the mirror. Once you get the mirror set where you want it, you're gonna grab the 10mm that came with it, came with the new mirror. tighten them up. My finger at least, so it doesn't fall out. Okay. We got the 10 mils in. Now I just want to tighten them up. Alright, all the 10 mils are tightened. You want to plug it back in, make sure you do that. Alright, make sure you get the 2 plugs for the window switches and the mirrors, or the locks. Make sure they're plugged in. Alright, line up the bottom tab into the holes of the door. And make sure the rest of them. And actually you want to pop this out of the door so you can put the lock in. Push down. And lock. Alright. Put the door handle back in real quick. That's not coming off. Alright, now we'll switch to the Phillips. Top one here. Top right corner. And then don't forget the bottom 2 Phillips. Now let's test out the power. In here. Everything works. Move the blind spot in. They fold it. Fold in. Now you're good. Let's not forget to put the cap back on the door latch.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the powered heated towing mirrors in black, fitting all 2003 through 2009 Ram 2500s, and you can find this set right here at AmericanTrucks.com.